Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you are good. Today our new lesson is lesson name Ghaziba. First is Ghain, next Dhad, and next is Ba. We are starting from the Ghain. It's Ghain letter, and top of the Ghain it's Fatah sign, like Ghain Fatah Gha. Next one in Dhad, and bottom of Dhad is Kasra, Dhad Kasra, Dui. Okay, and next one we have Ba, and top of the Ba this Fatah sign, Ba Fatah Ba. Before it Dhad Kasra, Dui. Before it Ghain Fatah Gha. Okay, we are starting again from the Ghain. Okay, look on the screen please. If you want big benefit, then you focus on the screen. First is Ghain, Ghain Fatah Gha, and Dhad Kasra Dui, Gha Dui, Ba Fatah Ba, Gha Dui Ba, Gha Dui Ba, Gha Dui Ba. Okay, it's very easy lesson, but revise it only 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, inshallah. After that you will expert. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, no hardness in this, no difficult. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, it's Ghain. I'm explanation giving you again. It's Ghain letter, and Ghain, it's top of the Ghain one dot. Okay, Ghain. Okay, next top of the Ghain also Fatah sign. I was explained for you when will come its sign top of the any letter, then you will read it Fatah, and when will come this sign the bottom of any letter, then you will say it Kasra. Bottom side will when will come, then Kasra, and when will come top of the any letter, then Fatah. Top Fatah, down Kasra. Okay, don't forget it. It's very easy. Gha Zi Ba, Ghain Fatah Gha, Dhad Kasra Dui, Gha Dui, Ba Fatah Ba, Gha Dui Ba. It's very easy.